Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best residential solar panels available on the market for their true quality and performance. Whether you're looking for something portable for camping or a more permanent solution for your RV or home, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the MH Portable Solar Panel 220 watts. With a whopping 220 watts output and a high conversion efficiency of 23.5%, this panel is designed for those who need serious power on the go. It's foldable, lightweight at just over 15 pounds, and features a durable IP67 waterproof rating, making it perfect for outdoor use. Whether you're camping, fishing, or traveling in your RV, this solar panel is built to handle the elements. The design is sleek and portable, with thickened handles for easy carrying. Its adjustable kickstands allow you to optimize the angle for sunlight absorption. However, the 40-volt output might not be compatible with all power stations, so you'll need to double-check your device's input limits. Performance-wise, the panel is excellent in sunny conditions, charging power stations and USB devices quickly. However, the control box isn't waterproof, so you'll need to be cautious in heavy rain. As for value, this is a great option if you need high power in a portable form factor. That said, the higher voltage and limited compatibility might make it less suitable for casual users. Pros include its high efficiency, durability, and portability. The major con is its limited compatibility with some power stations. Overall, it's a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts with specific power needs. At number 4, we have the TopUniv 100-watt 12-volt flexible solar panel. This panel is all about adaptability. Its flexible design makes it ideal for irregular surfaces like RVs, boats, and curved roofs. It weighs just 4.4 pounds and is only 0.1 inches thick, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to install. The 9-busbar monocrystalline cells ensure high conversion efficiency of up to 23%, giving you reliable performance. In terms of build quality, the ETFE material on the surface is durable, waterproof, and dustproof, while the TPT back panel aids heat dissipation. The IP67 rated junction box provides additional protection against water splashes and dust, making it suitable for outdoor use. However, as a semi-flexible panel, it may not be as durable as rigid models in extreme conditions. User reviews praise its performance on uneven surfaces and its ease of installation, but note that it may not handle prolonged stress well. This panel is an excellent choice for those looking for a lightweight, flexible option for off-grid setups. Its strengths include its flexibility, lightweight design, and high efficiency. On the downside, it's not as rugged as traditional rigid panels. If you're outfitting an RV, boat, or other challenging surface, this is a fantastic pick for your needs. In third place, we have the Zaup 100-watt portable solar panel. This foldable lightweight solar panel is perfect for camping trips, emergency preparedness, or RV use. With a high conversion efficiency of 23.5%, it's capable of harnessing maximum solar energy to charge tower stations, phones, laptops, and more via its versatile outputs, including USB-A, Type-C, and a solar interface. The build quality is impressive, featuring an ETFE coating that's waterproof, dustproof, and built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. The panel only weighs 9.48 pounds and folds down to a compact size, making it easy to carry. The adjustable kickstands allow for quick setup and optimal sunlight absorption. However, users should note that the control box is not waterproof, so you'll need to keep it protected. Performance-wise, the smart charging technology ensures safe and efficient charging for all your devices. This panel offers great value for those who need portability and versatility. Its high efficiency, lightweight design, and multiple output options make it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The only drawbacks are its non-waterproof control box and limited energy storage capabilities. Overall, It's a reliable and well-rounded option for portable power generation. Runner-up on our list is the Renogy 2PCS 100-watt solar panels. Renogy is a trusted name in solar technology, and this product lives up to the reputation. This pack includes two 100-watt monocrystalline panels, delivering a total of 200 watts with a conversion efficiency of 22%. The panels are compact, lightweight, and built to last, with a reinforced aluminum frame and low iron tempered glass that offer excellent durability. What sets these panels apart is their advanced 9-busbar cell technology and half-cup cell structure, which minimize energy loss while maximizing space efficiency. The panels are designed to handle extreme weather conditions, including wind, snow, and rain, thanks to their IP65 rating. Installation is a breeze with 20 pre-drilled holes for mounting. Users consistently praise the panel's reliability and performance in off-grid setups. While these panels are slightly heavier and less portable than others on our list, they're an outstanding choice for permanent or semi-permanent installations. They're ideal for RVs, marine applications, and off-grid homes. The pros include their high efficiency, rugged build, and trusted brand name. The only con is their relative lack of portability compared to foldable options. If you're looking for dependable, high-performance panels, Renogy is a top choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20 watts. While it may not be the most powerful panel on our list, it excels in versatility and ease of use. This 20-watt monocrystalline panel is perfect for maintaining and charging 12-volt batteries in cars, RVs, boats, and more. With a conversion efficiency of 21 to 30%, it punches well above its weight class. The upgraded 8A charge controller ensures efficient, 3-stage charging while protecting your batteries from overcharging and short circuits. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a low-iron tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame for durability. It's fully waterproof and built to withstand harsh weather conditions, making it a reliable option for outdoor use. The included adjustable mounting bracket allows you to easily optimize the panel's angle for maximum sunlight absorption. Users praise its plug-and-play design, which makes installation quick and hassle-free. This kit is an incredible value for anyone needing a compact, efficient solar solution for trickle charging and battery maintenance. Its pros include its affordability, robust build, and user-friendly design. On the downside, it's not designed for high-power applications. However, for its intended use, it's the best in class. The Solperk Solar Panel Kit earns its place as our top pick for its unmatched balance of quality, performance, and value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the best residential solar panel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy solar shopping.